Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Joe Samudra and today I will review a textbook of English for Indonesia Secondary School. And I have ex principle, okay? And the first principle, the primacy of input. Input in arguably one of the most important elements in learning language. There's not a matter whether we are talking about children learning their mother tongue or adults learning a second of foreign language. They are they need a large amount of a language input, and yet in all situations, student normality receive a minimal amount of input, which come largely from the teacher, or if they happen to use English regularly, and the course material. In other words, input in generally quite scans both and out of classroom. Given the central role of input in language acquisitions, in particular in the early phase of learning, it appears reasonable to suggest the following two points when we try to provide is input in the classroom. First, we should strive to use more English in the classroom. In many level classroom, teacher talk often serves of the main source of language input. We should use language that is pitched uh, at the right level, and that is enough to expose a student to a full range of factors commonly observed in authentic cognitive settings in both books and the learning input is good and neatly arranged so that the input books, the learning input goods and neatly arranged so that the teacher explain the material easily, and student also as easily understand the learning. The books is complete according to the education curriculum. Okay, the second principle, meaning focus output is important. Agreed that learning output is useful for learners language development. It can make learners pay more attention to grammar, thus enabling them to produce more accurate language. It can provide them with an opportunity to try out newly learn grammatical point. It can facilitate faster access and retrieval to existing linguistic knowledge, which talk repeats use improves learn. It is worth noting where that's when talking about the comprehensible output idea, in the context of a French immersion student in Canada. This output students are already exposed to the massive amount of comparable in input and already fluent in French, hence providing opportunity for her student to provide the language makes sense, and in fact service as a good purpose. In these books, there are output lessons that already exist even talks today are not easily understood by students, but that has to meet the requirement. Okay, that's church principle. Do not over teach a grammar. The role of a grammar in language teaching is less controversial. That it used to be. People now agree that grammar is an essential part language learning and teaching instead of trying to teach the entire grammar of the English language. He suggests that we should select the grammar item based on two considerates composability and acceptability, and in these two books the learning is good enough and not to standard on a grammar. Okay, the next four principle. The four principle focus in hex frequency words. Uh, Intuitively, we know all along that words are the most important building block of a language. Without a words, language cannot exist. We also know that we need a lot of words in order to communicate our thoughts, feeling, and idea with appreciation. Language learn often require how they have difficulty expressing themselves in a foreign language, not because they don't have idea, but because they lack the vocabulary to express this idea. Okay, the fifth principle teach words in meaningful chunks. It's appears that children acquire express expression talks massive amount of exports to the language since young. They acquire this as a words, use them as a whole unit as well in operate situation during their interaction with other people. It it's very much later that they break this chunks into smaller parts and discover that rule that govern the structure of sentence. An implication is that we would need to give our student opportunity to see and hear this expression repeatedly, repeats as often as possible at the early stage of learning. Okay, the next principle focus on fluency development. Fluency is often defined as the ability to process language with essay and accuracy in the area of reading. Fluency can be defined as the ability to read rapidly with AC and accuracy, and to read with upright expression and pricing. Another practical activity in which learners can develop NEC is the encourage them to do a lot of extensive reading and listening. And extensive reading and listening, learners read or listening to a lot of interesting material teaches in their independent level. By doing this, they will repeatedly account that they have already now in varieties of context, and gradually develop faster and automatic language processing skill. Okay, the next principle, motivation is key to language learning. That's motivation play a key role, and learning is something that every teacher would readily acknowledge. Motivated learning is a more authentic oriented community persistence and confidence in their learning. They are willing to work hard to access their goal, and do not easily give up until they achieve that goal. In the books, the teacher has to provide some motivation for each learning material. So that's not become a misunderstanding among students. It can also be a learning motivation for the students, so they don't get confused in learning. Okay, the last principle, amount and intensity of interaction go hand in hand. One of the reason our students are not successful in learning English in a school is probably due to the way the English curriculum is designed. In terms of amount of instruction, our students seem to get enough hour of English lesson in high school. English talks about uh, 3 or 4 hours per week for 6 year for a total opportunity and 100 2,000 hours. In these teacher books, the hours of a student learning in class have been described. In my opinion, it is in accordance with the standard set by the government, and there are not learning times error. Okay, I think this all my review X principle. Semua, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.